Congratulations on making the decision to utilize Lord Structural Adhesives, the premier bonding system. Now let's show you how to dispense it for superior performance. Lord supplies a caulk conversion kit for dispensing our 50 milliliter cartridges. The kit comes with 4 different types of plungers that cover the ratio options you would have for this type of cartridge. Today, we'll be dispensing Lord Max Lock, so we'll select our 4-to-1 plunger and remove the black plastic bottom cover on our cartridge before loading into the gun. Our first step is to insert the 4-to-1 plunger into the standard caulking gun. Next, we're going to insert our cartridge into the standard cartridge holder and insert the cartridge holder into the dispensing gun. Then, remove the piston plug by rotating it 1/4 turn. Now we'll show you how to level the cartridge to make sure that both sides dispense at the same time. Keep in mind that this step must be repeated for each new cartridge you load into the dispensing gun. Once you've got your cartridge loaded with the plungers lined up, slowly squeeze the trigger of the applicator into a cup or on a piece of paper until a small amount of the adhesive is equally dispensing from both ports. Mix the adhesive in your cup or on the paper and let it cure. Then dispose of it properly. Next, we'll purge the static mixer to ensure a good mix of the two components. We do this by installing the static mixer over the tip of the cartridge, then rotating it 1/4 turn to lock it in place. To purge the static mixer, we dispense a bead about the length of the mixer. Once this step is complete, you're ready to dispense your Lord adhesive onto your part. Once you're done dispensing, you press the thumb release on the plunger of the caulking gun, slide your plungers back, and remove the cartridge. Okay, let's do a quick recap. To load the cartridge, select your proper ratio plunger and insert it into your caulking gun. Then, remove the plug from the outlet port and insert the cartridge into the cartridge holder. Then, load the cartridge holder into the gun, making sure the plungers line up correctly. Next, we level the cartridge by squeezing the trigger of the applicator gun until an equal amount of adhesive is dispensing from both ports. Don't forget to mix the adhesive so it can cure and be disposed of properly. Lastly, we install our static mixer. Then, purge the mixing tip by squeezing the applicator gun trigger and dispensing a mixer's length bead of adhesive to ensure good mix. For our epoxy and urethane cartridges, we recommend leaving the mix tip attached to the cartridge for storage if the entire cartridge is not used at once. For best results with our acrylic adhesives, it's best to remove the mix tip and replace the cartridge plugs for storage if the entire cartridge is not fully utilized. And that's it! You're ready to get started with Lord Structural Adhesives, ready to see the difference in performance, ease of use, and process improvements for yourself.